Here we go. I've just bought these deburring tools from Amazon. Never tried them. So we'll look, see what they're like. Never open these little packets, can you? Quick, find a knife, something sharp, stab the box, stab the packet. There we go. From outside. There we go. Like a chamfered little weird tooly thing. Internal chamfer. So, see what they're like. So what I need to do is get that fitted to the drill. Turn that drill speed down, I think. Alright. And I've got a bit of threaded rod in the vise already. So I'll just give it a cut, saw it down, give it a bit of a saw. So we've got a nice fresh edge to start on. Right, there we go. Right. It's meant to deburr straight away, so let's have a go. So we're on. Well, I've got to be honest, that looks rubbish. Let's get a bolt, a nut, sorry, and try it on it. Now, I used to grind these with a stone. I think I'll have another go at trying it a bit further. I'll put a bit of pressure on it that time. Let's see. No, still can't get a knot on it. So it's actually, they're pretty useless, to be honest. No, they're useless.